Hey guys, I just wanted to make a small video addressing a couple of questions I got on how I go about introducing small color variety in my painting. And the technique is actually very simple. I use these random abstract colors. You can use simple flat colors, doesn't really matter, it works exactly the same. So I right click on the layer, go into blending option, and use this tool called Blend If. And what it does is, if you manipulate the top slider, it's gonna fade out starting from the shadow if you start with the left slider, or from the light if you use the right slider. But what I really like to use is the bottom sliders and underlying layer. So basically this works the same, but instead of fading this layer, it's gonna pop in the whatever is beneath this layer. So if I use this one, it's gonna make the shadow appear first, and if I use this one, it's gonna make the light appear first. So then I simply drag these until I get the color more or less where I want them to be, then alt click and drag these sliders so I get some nice feathering effect, so it's not as sharp. And this is pretty much how it works. Then you can just reduce the fill a little bit to get it more subtle, but yeah, this is the gist of it. But another really cool thing that I wanted to show you guys is how you can use the same technique to just tint certain areas of your painting. So let's say you wanted to introduce some cooler tones in the shadows of this image. What I do is simply make a new layer, set it on multiply here, and then with the same exact thing, we're gonna make the light reappear from the bottom layer, like so. Alt click and drag, and you see immediately how now you got these warm yellows back, but now the tint applies to the shadow. So this is a very neat technique you can use for both light and dark tinting. I hope this was useful, and if you have questions about this video or you have suggestions on future topics you'd like to see, please let me know in the comment. And with that said, I'll see you next time.